Think more and do less. Wait, wait a minute. No. Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I want to talk to you about thinking less and doing more, worrying less, creating more, consuming less, loving more. I mean, this is all about, kind of stop overthinking, stop overanalyzing, and become more engaging and more participatory in life and of life, and you love more and create more and engage more and to do more. I mean, I know for myself, I used to be, and kind of still am, I'm not even gonna lie, I used to be a overthinker and overanalyzer. I used to worry so much about the past and my past mistakes, and and all this stuff of the past, and I think about everything about the future and my goals and my dreams and my life and where I want to go, and oh my god, you know what I mean? So I think about all that stuff, and it prevents me from being in the present moment. It prevents me from enjoying life now, enjoying life in the present moment, and being present in life and participating in life now. So I definitely would encourage people to figure out ways to be more engaging, figure out ways to love life and be in the present moment now, because that's where life happens. Life doesn't happen in the past, that's already over with. Life is not happening in the future because that's not guaranteed, but right here, right now, we can focus our attention on the present moment and just create more of a life that we love, and create more of the moments that will take our breath away and that we will love, and will bring us happiness and bring us peace. Releasing anxiety for me about my future is what allows me to kind of be in the present moment. When I'm present on whatever it is that I'm doing, then that is what I'm kind of giving the focus to, and it would allow me to kind of just release a lot of the anxiety and a lot of the worry and a lot of the doubt about where my future is going. So I would definitely say that there are three ways to kind of get into the present moment, get out of the past, get out of the future, stop worrying about the past, stop consuming so much of social media and what society is saying that we should look like and what we should be doing, and where we should be in life now when we are in our 20s or when we're in our 30s. We need to stop consuming so much of that and just be present in our own moment, in our current lives, and be more participating of life. So yeah, I want to share with you guys three ways in which we can just be more present in our lives. The first way for us to be more present was a way that wasn't really about being in the moment, but kind of just being a little bit more productive and stop worrying about things that we can't control. And that is to kind of focus on small tasks. I mean, I'm a big believer that it's very important for us to make the habits of tackling the big tasks first, tackling and knowing your priority and tackling those big things first. However, sometimes you need to do things that are going to put you in the present moment. So I like to kind of have a little to-do list where it's kind of small things like washing dishes. I give my attention to that. Or tidying up my little office space that I have in my apartment, giving focus to that. I like the idea of just kind of being present in the moment, because it's something that helps me release my anxiety when I'm able to kind of focus on that small task and focus on whatever it is at that moment. Let me give my attention to, because when you overthink, when you overanalyze, it definitely puts pressure on you. It puts pressure and it puts anxiety, because a lot of us are kind of at that point where are we where we want to be? And we think about that, and we think about it constantly, and we think about the next step, and we're thinking about 10 steps ahead, instead of just focusing on the one step in front of you and kind of tackling that, because that small step that you take will definitely to lead to bigger changes. So when you take one step, just realize that one step forward, give your full attention to that, put your 100% into that, and just continuing to kind of one step at a time. Instead of thinking about the end goal and the end result, you can focus on, goal number one that's going to help you get to that end goal. Break the goal off into smaller increments. That way you can just focusing on getting to the next goal, accomplishing that, and getting to the next one. And it'll help you just focus and be more present in that moment and get that thing done that you need to get done, rather than worrying about the big end result that, we don't know how we're going to get there and all those things. So become more present now, and tackle the little things and let that lead to bigger and better results. Okay, so tip number 2 would be to do more of what helps you be more present, if that makes sense. Do more of what will help you be more present. So that means, do you like to draw? Do you like to create something? Like I said before, I like to DIY, like little small projects. I like to do things that will allow me to be creative and to use my hands and to, be more present in what it is that I'm making and in what it is I'm doing. So do more of whatever it is that will make you be more present and that will make you feel that joy and that happiness. I feel like your happiness relies on your ability to do, your ability to get out there and start moving. When we are overthinking, we're overanalyzing, and we don't feel good, and we're anxious, and we are depressed, we tend to have our bodies not moving. We tend to be slumped over. We tend to have our head down. But your posture and you moving and you getting up there and you lifting your head up and you moving, and it will definitely put a change in you. So do more of the things that will allow you to be more present in life, and allow yourself to do more of what will make you happy. Like I said, I like to DIY. That makes me happy. That gets me in the present moment. That allows me to love the space that I'm in and to love the life that I'm in. Just those small changes like that. So I would definitely say do more of what will let you be more present. So think about what it is that you like to do and to do more of it. Okay, so the last way for you to kind of be more present and to release that anxiety and whatever it is that you're feeling is for you to let go of your attachment to the past or to the future. Yes, we have our goals. Yes, we have, our dreams and our ambitions, but don't be so attached to it that you forget to live now in the moment. You cannot live life for your future. You have to live life now, because like I said before, your future, unfortunately, is not guaranteed. So how about we live in the present moment and let go of that attachment to the future? And it's the same thing with the past. We have to let go of our attachment to whatever it is that happened in our past and whatever it is that we did in our past that is preventing us from really moving forward and from being in the present now. We get so caught up in some of our shame and our guilt, and we think that because of the fact that those things happened to us in the past, that it's preventing us from having the future that we want now, or whatever. So I would definitely say, like, lose that attachment, because just because something happened in the past doesn't mean that you can't have the life that you want. So lose the attachment to whatever guilt and whatever shame that you're holding on to, or whatever disappointment or whatever you happened in the past that you're holding on to, that you're harboring those feelings towards. Let them go, so you can be able to focus on the here and now and begin to love the life that you have here and now. So those are my tips on how to think less and to do more, and the reasons and the importance of doing more and worrying less and consuming less, because at the end of the day, we are who we are. And if we allow ourselves to be in this moment that we love, we will begin to love ourselves and we begin to love our life. But we can't do that when we are scrolling through Instagram and seeing pictures and people that perhaps are living our dream life and wondering, like, why is that not happening for us? So yeah, I would definitely say the importance of thinking less and worrying less and consuming less, and bring more positivity into your life by creating more and loving more and doing more. I hope this video was important for you, and you can kind of incorporate more doing into your life and more creation into your life and more love into your life, because Yeah, I mean, this is the only life we get, guys. And let's not waste it by holding on to things of the past or holding on to the things of the future. Let's be more present now and to love life now. Go for a walk, get outside and look at the nature. Like, do you think that because there's a park that I like to go to, and this park has has geese and ducks and stuff like that, and I just look at them, it's like they're not worried about their tomorrow. They're not worried about their yesterday. They're enjoying whatever bread that you that you're throwing at them right there. So yeah, I mean, they're not thinking like, man, I only had 2 slices of bread yesterday, and I hope that I get 2 more tomorrow. They're worried about whatever it is that you're getting them. Guys, this example is ridiculous, but you get what I'm saying. Like we like I love watching, other like animals, because they're not worried about, their tomorrow. They're not worried about their yesterday. They're focused on their here and now. And that's kind of like what we need to do. We need to be more present. We need to love the moment that we're in and find joy in the moment that we're in. And we can do that by letting go of our past or letting go of our attachment to the future. We can do that by just doing more of what will allow us to be present. I don't know, guys. I don't know where this is going, but but I mean, you get what I'm saying. Think less, worry less, consume less, and do more, love more, create more, guys. And that's kind of just the secret to being happy, is just doing more of the things that will bring that joy and to bring that happiness into your life. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. And I will see you in another video. Peace.